you get to understand the latest and greatest of trends. It's not only the attendees, the medical device manufacturers, if you will, but it's also the exhibitors. There's a lot of innovation that goes on in the supply base here, and this is the one place to see it.
You can hit a bunch of customers, a bunch of suppliers, and have really good conversations.
I think you get some cross-industry ideas that come around. It helps for networking because otherwise you're meeting the same people that you do every year.
I felt very inspired walking the show because there's a lot of different technology that I've maybe known peripherally, but I've not had my hands on or interacted directly with that type of technology. So that's been really exciting.
It definitely is giving me, exposure to people I wouldn't normally talk to, and especially experts in their field.
It means we get to be in one place and be able to touch multiple markets in one place. So that's really cool.
It's great to have all the supply chain and the decision makers come here under one roof, trying to benefit the medical device market and try to work together to achieve more success throughout all the different vertically integrated companies that you see here today.
This is a great show. We've done a lot of fun things this time around, and we're excited to come back again next year too.
I mean, you just got to get out and see all the great technologies here. There's so much that's coming to the table. If you're not here, you're going to miss it.